I'm going to show you a haul of the Rainforest Cafe and open something that I did not get at the Rainforest Cafe. But you guys will like it, and I'm going to unbox it today. Okay, so the first thing, magic hand. Okay, so the first thing, I got a little follow bracelet, and it's a little penguin, and it's so cute. But yeah, I got this at Rainforest Cafe. Next thing at Rainforest Cafe, magic hand, I got this little bird that came with an icy and the straws back here. It's gonna flip. And there's a little hanging thing, so we got that at Rainforest Cafe. And my brother, magic hand. Yeah, my cousin did. And my brother got magic hand, other magic hand. My brother got this one. It's green, and he has a round top. But anyways, this is the big reveal. Okay, I hope you guys are ready. The big reveal is big into energy. Hope this is real, because if you saw my last video, it wasn't. But let's do this right now. Okay. I'm scared. Okay. I'm so scared. Okay. That was good, tear tab. That means it's real. Okay, there's even a card on like last time. It feels real, okay? I'm scared, okay. I got, it's real, no way. It's real. It doesn't have two left hands. The hands are a little off, but I think it's real. It even says loyalty. Okay, I got loyalty. I got pink, but it's fine.
You should go back and get more and sell them.
Let me know if you think it's real. And okay, yeah. Comment down below if you think it's real or not. Its head doesn't twist. That also means it's real. But that's it. Bye, guys.